Hey guys, I was sent this power supply here. They've opened it already. They said it worked. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. There are days where they get power, days where it doesn't sense power. So somebody tried to work on it already. They just sent it to me there. So, yep. Let me put it here. I don't want to power it off without being there. So, plug in power and see if we're getting the 12 volts. They say it's not blown, but they say it's like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I don't know too. There's a multimeter. Let's put it here. Yeah, we got a little bit of power there. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Ps5. Need to. What do I need to do? Yeah, I need to. Let me give it a second. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see if we have anything there. Yeah, got a 0.6 something. That won't kill us. Okay, so judging from what they say, I would assume many things are working, or they work when they want to work. Yeah, Ps5. So let's see. Fuse is definitely fine because say sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So need to look at this other fuse here, or they call it fusible fuse. Funny terminology, but yeah. Zoom in a little bit so you see better. Okay, this is also good, and now we need to move to the MOSFETs. Basically, just the same setup as Ps4s. Are we getting a short here? It's not short. There's a diode. It's not short, and the indication shows there. And then we need to take a look at this one here. No short, no short, no short. Okay, that's strange. Because they say sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So this will be a strange one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, what is that? Okay, I don't think that's a oops, I think it should be like that. Okay, what's the part number? Yeah. Oh, let me also get this part number here. Okay, perfect. So, and we'll move here for future reference. Yeah. Okay, so and over here, what's the part number? I haven't gotten a lot of Ps5 power supply yet, so I'm not really clued up yet on this. But since it's a power supply, I can't even see clearly. Okay, I'll take pictures later. So let's figure this thing out. Let's just see. I really can't see anything standing out there. This solder looks good. Calma. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now it's got busy with other stuff. So let's put it back there. Okay, so we were looking at the component here to see if nothing is standing out. So now where we were. And this one here, I think it's a DAP053T. There's a substitute for it, I think TEA 2016. The substitute. Credit to, I think, the channel is Toltec Merc, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So, it's doing some good work there. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think. Can't see anything funny. Oh, can you guys see this? Let's see. I'll just point this one out. Can you see that? There is a we have a broken solder there. What is it? It's a transformer. Yeah, it's the transformer with a broken solder. Okay, let's see if I can move it. Come on, zoom in. Yeah. So I think this is the problem, because nothing else is standing out except this. Yeah. It wasn't soldered on properly. Yeah, I think this is the problem. Okay, let's solder this and then we'll test and see. Because I've seen on some videos there's some with broken legs and things like that, so these guys at the factory there are acting up. Okay, let's add more solder on this one here too, just to be safe, so this doesn't come back to bite us. Okay, yeah, I think that's the problem. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna get 12 volt now. Let's see if we are going to get 12 volt. Okay, nothing metal down the bottom. Got nothing. So we can just do this way here. It's safer. Okay, so yeah, this is way safer. Go to voltage. Where's that cable? Okay, let's hopefully, let me step back, no explosion. Okay, yeah, no explosion. Let's see, are we gonna get 12 volt now? We're going to get 12 volt. Yep. Yeah, it was just that. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye. À suivre.